Sawadee krap. And this is another review of another hotel here, a small resort named Mira Mare. It's in Lamai. It's a very beautiful, nice place right on the beach. You have lots of bungalow, and I will show you the room inside. At the end of the video, and I will tell you how much is it a night here. As you can see, all the bungalow, they're very nice. You can walk 1 minute and you're on the beach. You have your own space for relax. Have aircon. Does not have a swimming pool, but it does really not matter because you have the beach. And this is also a bungalow here, a full one, separate one. And now let's take a look inside and see how much is it. Oh, very nice balcony, and the view is very nice. Straight to the beach. 1 minute walk and you're on the beach. Oh, bungalow is very big inside. Nice bathroom, very bright place. And this bungalow is for one night 800 baht. 800 baht at the moment.
Yeah.
Okay.
At least, 6 months more this price.
Okay, thank you very much. So that was the room inside the bungalow. As you can see, it's really cheap, 800 baht a night. Now you saw the beach side. Let's take a look at the street side. If you come from Shawang, you can see the Mira Mare. And you're right on the center. You in the center of Lamai. This is the center of Lamai. All the bar are just there. Little further. It's early morning, so there is not so many people. As you can see, everybody's on the beach or take a lunch. Subscribe now to see the last review of all the hotel, the last update of the situation here, and see you for the next video.